Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Agrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to start third chapter of computer, that is advanced features of Microsoft Access 2010. In this chapter we will learn about database objects. Database objects. Access are composed of four objects that are tables, queries, forms and reports. In previous chapter, I have already explained table object. Now in this chapter, we will learn about queries, forms and reports object. But in this video, I will explain you query object. What is a query? A query is a database that stores vast amount of data. But queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Queries are also used to perform actions such as delete, update, etc. on the data based upon some criteria. Now I will explain you how to create a query. You have to follow the following steps to create a query. Step 1. Select the Create tab on the ribbon and locate the queries group. Step 2. Select the Query Design command. You can see in this diagram. Step 3. Access will switch to Query Design view in the Show Table dialog box that appears. Select the table which you want to run as a query. Click on Add button, then click on Close button. We are running a query about our customers, so we will select the customer table. You can see in this diagram, customers table has been selected. Then click on Add button, then click on Close button. Step 4. The selected table will appear as a small window in the Object Relationship pane. In the table window, double click the field names which you want to include in your query. They will be added to the design grid in the bottom part of the screen. In our example, we want to mail invitations to our customer who live in a certain area. So we will include the first name, last name, street address, city, state and zip code fields. We are not planning on calling or emailing our customers, so we did not have to include the phone number or email fields. You can see in this diagram. Step 5. Set the search criteria by the clicking cell in the criteria row of each field which you want to filter. You can set multiple criteria also in different cells. For this one table query, we will use very simple search criteria. We want to find our customers who live in the city called Raleigh. So in our city field, we will type Raleigh. Typing Raleigh in quotation marks will retrieve all records with an exact match for Raleigh. In the city field, we will add their zip code 27513 as another criteria. You can see this diagram. City field is Raleigh and zip code is 27513. Because we want to find customers who either live in Raleigh city or in the 27513 zip code. Step 6. After you have set your criteria, run the query by clicking the Run command on the Query Tools Design tab. You can see in this diagram. Step 7. Finally, the query results will be displayed in the Query Datasheet view, which looks like a table. If you want to save your query, by clicking the Save command in the Quick Access toolbar, now you have to type the desired name which you want, then click on OK button. You can see in this diagram. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of query and how to insert query in MS Access. In next video, I will explain you form object and report object. Thank you.